Hello guys! So, medyo late tayo ngayon. Actually, 7:50 na. Usually, I will be here earlier, pero tinatamad tayo. So, nandito na tayo sa gym. Mag-workout tayo ngayon. Actually, alam niyo ba, tinatamad ako ngayon guys. Kaya late na late na ako nakapunta dito. That's normal. It's normal. Nasa phase na ako na malapit na ako magkaroon ng regla. Kaya ganyan yung itsura ng aking chan. Don't comfort. Natamad talaga ako ngayon. I'm so busy. Pero mas parang napagod talaga ako from work. But we're gonna try and do our best. So last time, it wasn't me who prepared our meals, but instead, si partner. So, hindi ko nang video kasi madalian yan at ayaw niyang nangingialam ako sa niluluto niya. Minsan, he will let me, but it's better not to mess with him. So, we're gonna cook adobo pork ribs. So, let's go get started. I already put in the garlic. Now we're gonna put in anyways, we're done from going to the gym. We could really record a lot, but I'm home. I have to cook muna, meal prep muna kasi wala na kaming ulam for tomorrow and Friday, and I'm working till the Friday. Ayan, medyo luto-luto na yung karne. So, we're gonna put on soy sauce. Thingy. And then, suka. Mga dalawa lang siguro. Lagyan na natin ang ating mga patoros. Lagyan natin siguro ng konting water. Just a little bit. Ayan. And then, cook it. Cook it on low heat. I completely forgot to film, but I put in oyster sauce, black pepper, and like 2 spoons of shrimp. And we're still cooking it on low heat.